Hey everyone, welcome to Quick Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of website performance and security. It's something we all care about, right? Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a massive platform, a fast and secure website is crucial. That's where Cloudflare swoops in to save the day. Think of Cloudflare as a booster pack for your website. It's designed to make your site load faster, protect it from attacks, and ensure it's always up and running. And trust me, in today's digital landscape, that's more important than ever. Cloudflare is like that extra gear your website needs to shift into overdrive. It's about giving your visitors the smoothest, safest, and most enjoyable experience possible. Intrigued? Let's explore. Imagine a Swiss Army knife, but for your website. A versatile tool that can handle multiple tasks with ease. That's Cloudflare in a nutshell. It's a comprehensive platform designed to enhance every aspect of your online presence. It's a multifaceted platform packed with tools and features to optimize your online presence. Whether you're looking to improve performance, security, or reliability, Cloudflare has a solution for you. From boosting speed to bolstering security, Cloudflare has you covered. It ensures that your website runs smoothly and remains protected from various threats. Remember those frustrating moments when a website takes forever to load? We've all been there, waiting impatiently for a page to appear. Cloudflare eliminates that with its Global Content Delivery Network, or CDN. This network of servers strategically placed around the world ensures that your content is delivered quickly and efficiently. It's like having copies of your website stored all around the world, ready to be delivered to visitors from the nearest server. This means faster load times and a better user experience. Fast loading means happy visitors, and happy visitors are more likely to stick around. But wait, there's more. A fast website can also improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for people to find you. Cloudflare is also a security powerhouse, protecting your site from malicious attacks like DDoS attempts and data breaches. It acts as a shield, blocking harmful traffic before it reaches your site. It's like having a team of digital bodyguards working 24/7 to keep your website safe and sound. With Cloudflare, you can rest easy knowing that your site is in good hands, protected from the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. And that's not all. Cloudflare also provides detailed analytics, giving you insights into your website's performance and security. You can monitor traffic, detect potential threats, and make informed decisions to further enhance your site. Integration is a breeze too. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, Cloudflare's solutions are designed to be user-friendly and scalable, fitting seamlessly into your existing infrastructure. Plus, with Cloudflare's excellent customer support, you're never alone. Their team of experts is always ready to assist you, ensuring that you get the most out of their platform. So, if you're looking to take your website to the next level, think of Cloudflare as your digital Swiss Army knife, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. We live in a world of instant gratification. We want things fast, especially when it comes to websites. In today's digital age, speed is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Slow loading times are a major turnoff for visitors, often leading to higher bounce rates and lost opportunities. No one likes to wait, and a slow website can be the difference between gaining a customer and losing one. Cloudflare's CDN is the solution to this speed dilemma. It ensures that your website loads quickly, no matter where your visitors are located. Imagine a network of servers strategically placed around the globe. These servers work together to deliver your content efficiently. That's Cloudflare's CDN in action. It's like having a team of digital messengers ready to deliver your website's content at a moment's notice. When someone visits your website, Cloudflare automatically routes their request to the nearest server. This intelligent routing ensures that the data travels the shortest distance possible. This significantly reduces latency, delivering content at lightning speed. Your visitors get what they want almost instantly. But speed isn't just about user experience. It's also a crucial factor for SEO. A fast website can improve your search engine rankings. Search engines like Google prioritize fast-loading websites, giving them a ranking boost. This means more visibility and potentially more traffic for your site. So, by using Cloudflare's CDN, you're not only improving user experience, but also enhancing your website's visibility. It's a win-win situation for both you and your visitors. With Cloudflare, you can ensure that your website is always performing at its best, providing a seamless and fast experience for everyone. Fort Knox level security, protecting your online presence. In an era where our lives are increasingly intertwined with the digital world, safeguarding your online presence has never been more critical. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape. With the rise of cyber threats, ensuring the safety of your website and data is essential for maintaining trust and reliability. Every day, websites face countless threats, from DDoS attacks that overwhelm servers to malicious bots trying to steal data. These attacks can disrupt services, steal sensitive information, and damage your reputation. Cloudflare acts as your website's first line of defense, providing robust security measures to keep your data and visitors safe. By implementing advanced security protocols, Cloudflare ensures that your website remains resilient against a variety of cyber threats. One of Cloudflare's key security features is its Web Application Firewall, or WAF. This powerful tool is designed to protect your web applications by filtering and monitoring HTTP traffic between a web application and the internet. Think of it as an intelligent shield that filters out malicious traffic before it even reaches your server. It scrutinizes incoming traffic, identifying and blocking potential threats in real time. It identifies and blocks known attack patterns, preventing hackers from exploiting vulnerabilities. This proactive approach ensures that your website remains secure against both common and sophisticated attacks. Cloudflare also provides DDoS protection, safeguarding your website from overwhelming floods of traffic designed to cripple your servers. DDoS attacks can be devastating, but with Cloudflare, you have a robust defense mechanism in place. It's like having a digital levee that diverts the floodwaters, ensuring your website remains online and accessible. This means that even during an attack, your users can continue to access your services without interruption. With Cloudflare, you can rest assured knowing your website is in safe hands. Their comprehensive security solutions provide peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business and serving your customers. The Uptime Guarantee. Cloudflare's reliability promise. Downtime is a nightmare for any website owner. Every minute your website is offline translates to potential lost revenue and frustrated visitors. Cloudflare understands the importance of reliability and offers an uptime guarantee that's hard to beat. Cloudflare's Anycast network is the backbone of its reliability. If you want to increase speed of your website, link is in description to join. It's like having multiple backup generators for your website. If one server goes down, traffic is automatically routed to another available server, ensuring uninterrupted access for your visitors. This level of redundancy means that your website stays online even during unexpected events like hardware failures or network outages. Cloudflare's commitment to uptime provides peace of mind, knowing that your website is always accessible to the world. Thanks for tuning into Quick Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Let's make the web a faster and safer place together. See you in the next video. Cheers!